All right, so in lesson 5.1, we are going to be talking about frequency tables. And frequency tables deal with categorical data, which is a fancy way of saying numbers collected in groups. Okay, so we're going to take a look at frequency tables for numbers collected in groups. So a type of frequency table we might see is called a two-way frequency table, where on top we have Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, Mountain Dew, and on the side we have if you're a high school or a middle school student. So what we'd want to do with this table is we'd first want to label it. So on top, we would put something along the lines of soft drinks. And maybe on the side, we'd put, level of student, because this is some information we want to know. Does the type of soft drink selected change if you're a high school or a middle school student? These are things that soft drink companies might want to know so they know how to effectively market to their audience. Okay, so as you can see here, 18 students in high school like Coke, 6 students at the middle school will drink Sprite. A total of 22 students in the middle school like Coke or Dr. Pepper. Like those are all the types of things that you can determine from this type of table. So there's 2 more things we want to add to it. Okay, we want to add a total column over here because it makes sense that we would want to total up the number of students per group. Total number of high school students or total number of middle school. So let's do that. So 18 and 12 is 30. 30 and 4 is 34, 34 and 13, let's see, 44, so that'd be what, 47? Let me check my work. So we'd have 17, 27, 29, 39, 47. Good. For middle school students, let's see, 12 and 10 is 22, 22 and 6 is 28, 28 and 28 is 56. So we can see also from this that, let me do that, 47 and 56, 47 and 56. Sorry, I just wanted to write a little bit neater, okay? So we can see that there was more middle school students that were surveyed than high school students. Okay, another thing we might want to do is we might want to calculate the total this way. All right, we might want to see how many people like Coke in both groups. So here's another total. Okay, and that would go there. So we can see 30 students like Coke, whether it's high school or middle school, 22 like Dr. Pepper, 10 like Sprite, and surprising to my own personal taste, what is that? 38, 41 students like Mountain Dew. That's a little weird, okay, to me. But this is why we do these things, because it's not just my opinion here. Okay, so these are just different ways that we can look at frequency or categorical data. We can put it into a two-way frequency table, and from there, there's a ton of different things that we can do with this.